Hi everyone, my name is Darren Binag from Section B. So my topic is all about 18.14 general characteristic of polysaccharides. So polysaccharide is a polymer that contains many monosaccharides units bonded to each other by glycosidic linkages. So polysaccharide is a complex carbohydrate or a polymer made up of many simple sugar molecules linked together by glycosidic bonds. So these serve as energy storage, structural components, and play roles in cellular communication. So polysaccharide are often also called glycans. So ang glycans muna siya ang alternate name for polysaccharides. So there are four important parameters that distinguish various polysaccharides. Number one is the identity of the monosaccharides repeating units in the polymer chain. The more abundant polysaccharide in nature contains only one type of monosaccharides repeating units. Such polysaccharides including starch, glycogen, cellulose, and chitins are example of homopolysaccharide. So ang homopolysaccharide muna siya ang polysaccharide in which only one type of monosaccharides monomer is present. Polysaccharides whose structures contain two or more type of monosaccharides monomers including hyaluronic acids and heparin are called heteropolysaccharides. At heteropolysaccharides is polysaccharide in which more than one, usually two types of monosaccharides monomer is present. So ang homopolysaccharide contains only one monomer is present, while ang heteropolysaccharides is more than one or kalumitan, usually two, yun na siya ang type of monosaccharides monomer is being present. So number two is the length of polymer chain. So polysaccharide chain length can vary from less than 100 monomer units up to million monomers units. So the length of polymer chains is ang iyang polysaccharides is less than 100 monomers units ug maabot pa na siya og a million monomer units. So number 3 is the type of glycosidic linkages between monomer units. So as with disaccharides section 18.13, so several different types of glycosidic linkage are encountered in polysaccharide structure. So sa makita na to sa section 18.13 ang several different types of glycosidic linkages ma-encounter in polysaccharide structures. So in nutrition discussion, monosaccharides and disaccharides are called simple carbohydrates and polysaccharides are called complex carbohydrates. So number 4, last but not the least, the number 4 is the degree of branching of the polymer chains. The ability to form branch chain structures distinguishes polysaccharides from the other two type of biochemical polymers. So proteins nga makita nato sa chapter 20 and nucleic acid nga makita nato sa chapter 22 which occur only as linear unbranched. So unbranched siya nga polymer. So figure 18.22 ga-illustrate ni siya. So ang figure 18.22 makita nato dito sa 18.22 nag-illustrate na siya nga important general structures considerations relative to polysaccharides. So unlike monosaccharides and most disaccharides, polysaccharides are not sweet and not test positive in tolerance. So unlike monosaccharides and most disaccharides, polysaccharides is dili na siya sweet and do not test positive in tolerance and Benedict solution. So they have limited water solubility because of their size tungod sa iyang kagagmay. Although there are many naturally occurring polysaccharides of biochemical importance, we will focus on only 6 of them, which is ang starch, glycogen, cellulose, chitin, hyaluronic acids, and heparin. So starch and glycogen are example of storage polysaccharides. Cellulose and chitin are structures polysaccharides, and hyaluronic acid and heparin are acidic polysaccharides. And I think that would be all. Thank you for watching. God bless.